Hi everyone. So I thought I'd do something a little different today, just so y'all can see behind the scenes of my crazy life. Um, but it's called What's in My Car. So I thought I would give you guys a sneak peek and let you know what was in my car and why it's important. Because I always said if you want to survive the end of the world, find a realtor because they're prepared for everything. So, yeah, when the end of the world comes, it's just going to be realtors and cockroaches around. So, here's a look at what's in my car. I know, it's a total mess, but of course, we've got the pool cues. We've got some Popeyes and some Popeyes. There's an umbrella. There's a broom. There's a vacuum because usually once a week I go to my vacant listings and clean. This right here is amazing. And yes, I got it off the TikTok shop. It is it's like a leaf blower, but it's the size of a cordless drill, and it's cordless with a rechargeable lithium battery. So, yeah, it's great to clean off the leaves and to, get stuff away from the house and kind of blow off the property. Oh, this is my favorite thing right here, a belt drill. Rain boots because it was raining the other day. Stuff to drop off at Goodwill. More pop buys. Let's see. Oh, wasp spray. One of my listings had some wasp nests, so I had to.